Right now we have Laravel Passport installed, we have JSON API auth package installed, and it has all the scaffold authentication. We show register feature, login feature, and logout feature. Right now we're going deeper in customized login and register options. The package provides the controllers for authentication in APIs in app HTTP controllers JSON API auth directory. We could find a trait that is used to return data. So in this example, we are going to change the behavior to return, instead of all the model, to a user. In this case, I will create a user that will be any, and this is the default behavior. We're going to change this behavior. Instead of return all the model, we are going to return only name and email. For this, we're going to app directory, app HTTP controllers JSON API auth directory. We're going to traits, and we have this trait has to show API tokens, and we're going to change the way that the response return, instead of the model, we're going to return user name and user email. We're going to save, and we are going to create another user. We register the user, and it only shows the name and the email. We could do a little bit more to show some customizations. We are going to user model, and I am going to add an accessor that will show the name in uppercase. It will be name in uppercase, just to be creative with the name. We're going to return a string in uppercase, and the string will be the attributes name. Okay. Of course, it could be a relationship. It could grab some data and do something more. This is just a simple example. And instead of return the name, we're going to return name in uppercase. We're going to save, and we're going to register another user just to show that it works. We're going to register Joe, and Joe. Well, we are going to register the user, and yeah, we can see Joe name in uppercase. But maybe we need to customize the behavior to return token only on login, because maybe we need to register a user, but we want that the user first register and then login. So to change the default behavior, we could go to config file, in config, JSON API auth, and we're going to the first configuration, that is show token after register, and it's a boolean. We're going to change the value to false, and we're going to save. Then we are going to create another user. It's George. And then we can see that the user is created, but we have not the token anymore available, but of course we can log in. This is Jojo with the password, and of course we have a token. So it's another feature that it's available. You can get more info in the documentations. You can customize the tokens and customize the scopes. How you can do this? You can change the string that is used to create the tokens. By default, the string is app, but you can change this string. And based on this string is the way that the token is created. And scopes, you can add an array of scopes that you want that are available to any new token, and it automatically will be added in user registration. But you can change this behavior in create token method in the has to show API token straight. All this code is available in your project at the time you install the package, so you have total ownership to change the behavior or to customize the behavior of these configuration files. Well, with all this review, we can go further and go to more advanced features like forgot password.